You know, things don't really make sense until you experience them for yourself. Hi, and welcome back to the channel. It's Made from Made Crochet, and today I'm going to tell you the story about how I lost my first game of yarn chicken. So let's get into it. So there's some cute crochet terms like frogging, yarn chicken, jogging. I don't know them all. If there's more, let me know them down below. But I want to focus on the yarn chicken one today. And what is yarn chicken, you may ask? Well, simply put, it's when you're a fool. I'm joking. It's basically when you're crocheting a project, you're not sure if you have enough yarn, and you crochet around and find out, if you know what I mean. So this totally makes sense. But I was also wondering, why has it never happened to me? And it's never happened to me because I'll just always go out and buy more yarn. In theory, this isn't a crazy concept at all, because there's just no way humanly possible to always have the exact correct amount of yarn for every single project forever. Like, it just doesn't work like that. So what's changed, and why did I lose yarn chicken this time? Well, I'm changing the way I crochet, and depending on when this gets uploaded, hopefully I mentioned it before, but I'm going on a scrap-free yarn journey, which basically means I'm trying to use all of the yarn I have before I buy any more. So this is how I'm playing the yarn chicken game, because I can't just go out and buy more and fix it. I have to play that game, and I lost really bad. Let's introduce the culprit. This is her. I'm pretty sure you can tell why. This hat is the same as this hat. Extreme ruffles. If you've ever done ruffles before, you know this takes up a lot of yarn. The original design is more of a wavy hat, not an extreme ruffle hat. But after making this one, I was like, oh, it's so cute. I know I've had a lot of people show me interest in extreme ruffles with this one. So I was like, I have what appears to be enough. You see how the game starts? What appears to be enough yarn to make this hat look like that hat, but clearly, because I'm making this video, you can see that wasn't the case. Okay, anyways, let me show you. Let me show you what's happening here. Okay, so here she is. So I'm just gonna pop her off of there. Up close, it's so obvious. From afar, it's definitely not. So you can see we have 2 treble crochet in each stitch. This is 2 treble crochet, and that's 1 stitch. So I definitely knew I was running out of yarn, but we still keep this consistency, and bam. Right here is where it starts. Like immediately the second I got to this orange color, I was like, yeah, we're not gonna make it. And if you notice, this is just 1 treble crochet in every stitch, okay? So that's not super insane, right? I started getting really bad. This is so funny because you can see how I was trying to save it and it didn't work because there's no more increases here. And you'll notice right here, bam, what is that? That's actually double crochet, but it just wasn't working. I already knew it was coming to the end. This is where it ends. At this point, I have about this much yarn left. The more crazy part is, this is like where I stopped, and this is the end of the row. Like I'm probably like, I don't know, I guess maybe 20 or 15 stitches out, but because it's treble crochet and it's ruffled, that's why I didn't make it. But it's okay, because today we're gonna fix it. So why I say this is the first time that I've lost yarn chicken is because usually if I like grab yarn from another project or I have a little bit of scrap yarn left over, luckily and ironically, it's always the same exact yarn, where this time we're using this completely different yarn. Personally, I think it matches really well, especially because this yarn is ombre, and you can see that the color changes can happen very bluntly and very drastic, where you see how it goes from that really light brown color to this like dark brown color right there. So I don't think it would be too crazy at all to add this in. It definitely goes with the color scheme. So first what I have to do is I have to go back to where I stopped doing the triple crochet increases, which was right at this orange post, right? So I'm gonna pull out my stitches all the way until we reach there. I'm gonna reinsert my triple crochet increases, and then once the original yarn is done, I'm going to attach and finish that with this yarn. I definitely have enough of this for sure. And we're here. Who else drops their hook like all the time? So I'm gonna go ahead and insert all of my increases, and I'll meet you back when I'm at the new color. So I just attached the new ball to the old ball, and let's get into it. Ooh, that's actually quite a bit. So I'm right here, and I need to get over here. It's less than half, but I'd say just a little bit more than a quarter. So now I'm wondering if I have enough of this. I definitely do. I definitely do. Finish the round. So I just finished the round, and this is how much we had left, so we were more than okay. Let me show you what it looks like. Oh, this is so cute. What are we thinking? Hit or miss? Hit or miss? Let's get her sister. These are actually so cute. This one's different. This one's granny stitch and this one is like double crochet. So let me do a 360 for you. And here is where the color was added. Even I had to double check, okay. Right here, it's this section right there. Honestly, I think it looks great. I'm really satisfied with it. So the question now is, did I lose or did I win? I don't know. Let me know down below. But thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.